when we eat too much, we'll get acidity.
Acidity forms. So what we should do?
Antacid tablets.
We should eat something that contains a
Base.
base.
Okay. And we call it tablet. Okay, we go back to another person. Shreya, what is that tablet or what is that medicine? In order to reduce the reduce acidity, we use some kind of substance. Can you name it?
I know.
Ma'am.
Wait, I am asking Shreya. Those who know, you wait.
Can you repeat the question? Can you repeat the question?
I am asking during indigestion, in order to reduce acidity, we take some medicine in order to reduce the acidity in your stomach. What is that? Can you remember that?
Ma'am.
Shreya, I think Shreya's this thing is muted.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, you say. Say.
Ma'am, antacid tablets.
Antacid tablets.
Antacid
tablets.
Okay, antacid tablets. Okay. Okay. Nakul, give me another situation in which neutralization taking place. So one and is over, indigestion is over. We discussed two more. Can you remember that?
Salt treatment. Salt treatment.
That we did not discuss. What we discuss, you tell me. For one is ant bite, another one is indigestion, another one, what we discuss? What is that? No one remembers. Why do you brush the teeth? Nakul, every day morning, why do you brush the teeth?
To prevent from germs.
Germs. So actually, how does neutralization taking place in teeth?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait.
The germs
Germs?
will create an acid.
Yes.
So by brushing teeth, we will neutralize it.
Neutralization. So what is the content in the toothpaste? Acid or base?
Base.
The toothpaste.
Base.
Okay. So all the toothpaste is consists of base. So the microorganisms which we generate some acid in the teeth, that's what we get a bad smell. In the morning when you get up, your mouth will produce a bad smell because of this microorganism. And I also has told that the toilet, if you don't wash every day, it will produce a bad smell from inside because it produces a microorganism. So we are using Harpic, Domex, all that. So we are neutralizing that acid and by adding the base. Okay? Yes, Afridi.
Ma'am, toothpaste also contain alkaline.
That is what we call base. Base are alkalis, another name. Okay. So when you go to higher classes, you will be study, not base. Alkali also is there. Acid, alkalis, base. There are three. So here we are only studying acid and base for your 7th standard. When you go to higher classes, you will be studying more detail about alkalis, base and all that. Okay, Afridi? Okay. Yeah. Another one I asked Noor Alia about the shampoo. Why we are using hair conditioner after shampooing? Tell me. Noor Alia, you can't hear me? You never use shampoo, Noor Alia? Did you use shampoo? Did you use shampoo?
Can you repeat the question?
My question is, why do we use conditioner, hair conditioner after shampooing the hair?
Prevent hair falling.
You did not read, I think, no?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, is it because shampoo contains diluted acid?
So when we use conditioner,
So it is a base.
Basic
Conditioner is a base. Condition is
and that's why it neutralizes that.
who is telling between, who is telling? I wanted the person who just, I ask, others keep quiet. See, everyone want to study, no, my dear, let them, okay. Yeah. So Nurala, I could not hear you. You repeat what you said. Repeat. Did you say anything? Or someone was saying? Hello? No sound. Okay, Baja. Yeah, Baja. Why do we
Yes,
use
ma'am.
conditioner after shampooing the hair? No? What happened, all of you? Huh?
I know.
Ah. Afridi, you keep quiet, okay? Let others give answer. Gauri Priya? The girls only I'm asking. All girls no use. You are putting the shampoo, you putting hair conditioner. Such a lot of time you are spending. Huh? In front
I
of
know,
the mirror. No answer for it. Boys
Ma'am,
are
I
telling.
know.
Ma'am, I know. So boys
Ma'am,
are
I
putting
know.
lot of shampoo, I think so. Not the girls. Is that?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I
I
know.
also know that.
Ah, okay.
I also know.
First one, not Suraja. Other one who said that?
Ma'am,
Say.
Shreya.
Ah.
Ma'am, because our shampoo is basic and conditions is acidic in nature and that's why it neutralizes perfect.
So after shampoo, what happens to the hair? My question is, why do we
Um,
use conditioner? It
Ma'am,
gets
our
rough.
hairs get
Ma'am,
rough after applying
basically
shampoo.
harmful
Our
for
hairs
hair.
get rough after
Afridi,
applying the
my
shampoo.
dear. Afridi, I gave you chance, no? Now keep quiet. Okay. Let others also say, I want to hear their sound also, no? If you say, 7A, 1 Adityan, 7C, 1 Afridi. 7B, I don't know. Who is that? Okay. Yeah? You want to say, I
Shane.
know. Everyone
Shane.
want to. You are very active. Everyone want
I
to
mean,
give me
7
answer.
beats Shane. Shane John.
That's all. That's all. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Repeat. Okay, Afridi, don't feel bad. Say now, answer.
No, I am not feeling good.
No, and then you say the answer.
Mia.
Then you said, no, I know the answer.
I know. Basic is harmful for hair.
Okay. Okay.
So, conditioner is acid. So,
Uh,
to neutralize the base, we add conditioner to the hair.
Okay. Very good. Very good, Afridi. He understood that. So everyone, so girls, you all are using shampoo. I think more than boys, you use the shampoo. So you don't know the reason. After putting the shampoo, you only know my hair flies. My hair flies and I can do wherever go. Modern fashioning you can do, no? You can do the fashion. But if you continuously use the shampoo, your hair become rough.
Rough
It
after
starts
applying
breaking. It starts losing. Why? It is more
Hair will
basic.
fall.
It contains pH value. You learned pH value, no? pH value of what is that? Highly basic, all kind of ammonia, which is used in the
Alkaline.
detergent. Yeah, alkali. Okay, all that.
Alkaline and acid.
Shampoo is base or acid?
Shampoo
Shampoo is
is basic.
base.
Base.
See, all the liquids and the soap which is used to remove the stain, remove the dirt. Not only shampoo, your toilet soap, what you are using for bath. Okay, Lex,
Harpic.
everything. Lex.
Harpic.
Harpic is in
Yes.
toilet. Lex, Dove, all kind of, all type of brand. Vivo.
Dettol.
Yeah, Dettol.
I mean,
Lifebuoy
You have bath with the Dettol?
and Lifebuoy.
No, Dettol soap is there.
Okay. Okay, Afridi. Good. See, he knows a lot. It's not just laughing. I'm just making it because after the lunch, you also feel a little boring. So I'm just making it to laugh. That's all. Okay. So all type of liquids, all type of beauty soaps, whatever you use. Okay. Whether Deepika Padukone soap or what you call Katrina.
Dettol.
All these soaps are base. Okay, please remember that. Whenever you use, I will become like a Deepika Padukone if I use Vival. So don't go on putting the soap there. Actually, you are killing your skin. Okay.
Ma'am, Deepika Padukone in Lux only.
Okay, Lux. So you watch that. Very good, See, even I don't know. Deepika Padukone is having Lex or Vival. You are saying me. Okay. Good. Okay, Afridi. Yeah. So children, all See,
Ma'am.
tell me now.
So many commercials in TV. That why so many.
Commercial cosmetics. Say
that
the word cosmetics.
cosmetics.
You don't use any cosmetic, Afridi?
What is that?
You don't put any cream? You don't put any cream on your face?
No.
No? You don't put Fair and Lovely? Then
No.
Fair and Lovely you don't put?
Sometime.
Virat Kohli put, you know, you should put. Virat Kohli put that, Fair and Lovely.
Purifying face wash.
Okay. But now you don't require Fair and Lovely. Now also you are handsome. You are look love fair. You are at home, no. So not going out for playing. So now you are very handsome now. No need of Fair and Lovely. Okay. Okay, come back to the life. Okay, children. So, see my children. Okay, even we have some fun in that, but still there is some serious issues you should know. Okay. All Deepika Padukone, everyone is putting the legs and everything. All, not only legs, so many are there. No? I can't remember all that. Liril, Sindol, all that is there. Children, they are just showing, they are getting lakhs of rupees for it. Okay. If you use the soap, you don't get any lakh of rupees. Only you have to spend the rupees in the medical shop. That's it. Okay. So, when you have a bath, better you use the soaps which have less base. Okay. Just like Pears. Pears is very good.
Yeah.
Johnson.
I use Pears and
I use Pierce, ma'am.
Okay.
I
Hammam.
use Pears and mix.
Hammam Rexona and all, that smell is not good, but Lex gives a lot of
Chandrika and
perfume
all.
smell. That's okay. But that smell, they are putting more base in it. Okay, anyway, whatever it may be. So children,
Ma'am, I use Pears and Medimix. Knew that glycerin Medimix.
very good, very good. That's why you are looking handsome now. Your skin is very nice. Okay, soft. I can see your face. See, some of them. Look at Suraja. Suraja's face is not that much fair. Which soap are you using, Suraja?
Yes.
Pears. Then why your skin is like that?
My mother's, all my grandmother and all uses Pears. The family is all Pears girls.
Then which cream are you using? Which cream are you using?
Nivea.
That is why you are using Pears and putting Nivea on it. Nivea is highly based. Okay.
Bigger only. Nivea.
Okay, my dear. Can I continue the class? Enough time you had about the soap and all?
Yes, you can continue.
I can continue. So what I'm trying to say that we have nice fun. We are all using all soap and cream and all. But remember that keep a limit for everything. Okay, keep a limit for everything. Once in a while, after putting all the cream, once in a weekend, just put some oil on your face and then wash. Okay, why? Your skin become more soft. After putting this all this cream and the soap, sometimes your skin becomes so dry. Okay, so once in a while you can have you know the what you call aloe vera. If you get a fresh aloe vera, put the gel of aloe vera on your face, not the ready-made aloe vera gel. You will get from the what you call Ayurvedic shop. You will get
Ma'am, in my house aloe vera is there.
I also home aloe vera.
Aloe vera means
My
kattar
oil from that aloe vera oil.
that is kattar vada. Some are having at your home also. So if you take one aloe vera's leaf, cut it, and inside there is some jelly. Just apply on your face and on your hair. That is better than all the shampoos. Once in a week. Other days we don't have time. We don't have time to sit and put oil and so on. But actually our olden times, our old people, the rishis, no, they used to put off oil on their body daily. Yeah. Then they used to wait half an hour without having bath. Then only they have bath. That is how olden times our princess, queen, they were so pretty.
Queen,
you know,
in the medieval times.
all princes pretty. They don't use Nivea. They don't use the what you call Lex and all. Olden days where we had, they only use
That time,
turmeric.
they sit half an hour and
They only use
half an hour is very precious for us now. We are
half
just
an
getting
hour.
up
They
half an
only
hour
use
before the class.
natural. They
Yes.
only use natural.
Not only that, they should natural. If you put the rose petals, you know, the red rose petals,
And
put the rose petals in the water and keep it that water for some
Rose
time.
water.
You have bath in that. That is better than thing. Olden times, the people used to do all that. Okay, children. So see, still they were very pretty. The old princes and queens are very pretty. And
Old and old.
yeah.
Everybody like our grandmothers all are still very
Ah,
pretty and
yes,
having long
yes.
hair,
Are very pretty.
long hair,
hair.
everything.
Long
Very
hair and they
pretty
live more than
hair.
100 years. We will die by 60. That I am sure. Okay.
if
Because of that.
High
if
BP,
the
sugar.
and soap
everything.
invented, they will also use soap,
Ah,
and
okay.
they will also be dry.
Who?
The princess and all.
No. That all came later. After the princess, everyone dead and gone. Then only we started doing all this nonsense. Okay.
Ma'am, if soap was invented that time, they will also use.
Who invented the soap and all? That time the people from outside came and invented all this British and thing.
Ma'am, Johnson's baby.
Johnson's baby. Okay, we go to Johnson's baby and all. Let us now continue the lesson. Okay, so let us now, we are, okay, so that is over and is over, and last 2 more neutralization, we are ending the session. Okay, children? Yeah. So, see children, next, so 4 neutralization we have studied. Okay. Hiba Fatima, are you there? Hiba Fatima, are you there? Hiba Fatima. Hiba Fatima? No video, nothing. Effins Joseph? Effins Joseph? Nihan Salim? No noise, no video. All of you first on the video. Let me see. Every time same people only speak. What about others? Yeah. Aisha, Hida, Jonal, Anna, Binu, Karthik. Okay. All are there. Karthik. Read this slide, Karthik. The first sentence. The next neutralization in our daily life. That is, we call it as soil treatment. We call it as soil treatment. Why soil? Okay. Before reading, I just explained. You know, children, this is happening. So whenever we have cultivation of plants and all that, like paddy fields, mango field, all kind of fruit, after some time, you know, after using the minerals and we put some chemical fertilizers to kill the bacteria, kill all that, and we add. So if you use excess of chemical fertilizers, what will happen? The acidity of the soil increases. That means out of minerals, it will be more acids. It's more than other minerals. The soil will contain more acids if you add some excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Usually the farmers do that to give a proper production, to get a very good, profit. They used to put lot of chemical fertilizers on the plants. Then this increases the acidity of the soil. Then after some time, what will happen? The plants will die. They will give more production, but they don't remain for a long time. They will die very fast. So that is what we require, a neutralization in soil treatment. Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Karthik, can you read the first sentence, Karthik? Vinod, read.
Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic.
Okay, exercise, no, excessive. What is that? Say the word. Repeat, Karthik. Excessive. Excessive. Excessive means more than what we require. Okay, continue.
If the soil is acidic, then we cannot grow plants in the soil.
Okay, then last sentence.
In order to grow plants in this type of soil, we have to add basic compound such as
Limestone. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ കുമ്മായം എന്ന് we call limestone. Okay, limestone. Then
powdered lime and ashes to burn wood in the soil.
Food alla wood. Okay. Afrin Shamir, can you read once again, Afrin, that slide? Read.
Excessive use of chemical
Ah,
fertilizers make the soil acidic.
okay.
The soil is acidic, it cannot grow. That grow plants in this type of soil. They have
Okay.
compounds such as limestone, powdered lime, and the ashes of burned wood in the soil.
Okay. Okay, children. So this is what we call excessive. So excessive if you add chemical fertilizers, after some time, plants will die. So in order to prevent, we need to neutralize the soil. We can add. Suppose the soil is acidic, we add a basic compound such as limestone. Limestone is our kumayam. Have you heard about kumayam,
Yes, ma'am.
chunnambu?
Ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Is the fertilizers base?
Make the soil acidic.
Is it acid or base fertilizer?
Both can be. Some fertilizers, if you add, the soil become more acidic. Some fertilizers increase the basic. Okay. So
Like cow dung and all?
no, cow dung does not increase any acidicity or base, because cow dung is a natural fertilizers. Chemical fertilizer means we buy urea, some other ammonia and all from the shop and we put. Okay. So you can put, it is good for the growth of the plants, but if you put more, gradually the
Will
soil
die.
ah,
Will die.
just like how you cannot digest your food, no, sometime. Same way, the soil has a limit. It cannot absorb the nutrients. Then this excessive chemical fertilizers will kill the plants usually. Slowly, it's acidity, no. Slowly, the root started decaying. Then it will not grow. Okay. So
So it will die.
if it is base, suppose chemical fertilizer is acidic, we add a basic compound limestone, chunnambu, kumayam, the cardim, then ashes. You know our ashes when you burn the leaf and all. Yeah.
Burn the wood.
Yes. So that can reduce the acidity of the soil. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
base, if the what can say, if the soil is to be more basic, then we add some kind of acid, just like cow dung, the urine of cow. It has a acid, uric acid is there. So we can add it in order to reduce the base. Suppose the soil is basic, we can add cow dung, then urine of the cows. Okay, then vegetable waste. We can add acid in that, because we know that majority vegetable contain so many type of acids. So we can add
Onion peel and all. Onion peel
Eggshell,
and all.
onion peel.
onion
Onion
leaf.
peel.
Yeah, correct.
Tomato
Yeah.
peel.
Onion leaves, because they contain some acid. So to reduce base, we can add all this. To reduce acid, we add limestone and as well as ashes of burn. Now last neutralization we are going to study is the last one, factory waste. You know, sometimes it must have been heard, in one pond all fishes dead, and it is floating. Sometimes when the oil leak from the ships, sometimes the fishes, big fish will die. You know, you have observed, you have seen these news, and some of the people also will put some poison in that to kill the fish also. So factory waste. Okay. Effins, can you read that one? Factory waste. Can you read Effins?
Yes, ma'am.
Just read the first sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Read first sentence.
The waste extracted
Excreted.
out of factories are highly excreted out of factories are
Highly acidic.
and causes
Threat.
acidic and causes threat to the survival of the marine ecosystem.
Okay, very good. Gopika, can you repeat once again that sentences? Read. First one. Once again read. Gopika Aram.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
The waste excreted out of factories are highly acidic and causes threat to the survival of the marine ecosystem.
Okay, ecosystem. Okay, good. Can Gauri Priya, can you read the second one? Second one. Can you read? Anyone else? Agash P. Krishnan. Who is reading?
Can I?
Read.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Second one.
Release of this acid waste into the water bodies kills fish and other organisms, due to which the factory waste are properly neutralized by adding basic substance.
Okay, so what is due? So because of this acidic waste, excreted means which is expelling out of the factories. You know, majority factories either expel on the sea the waste, or they expel in the near canals and the rivers. So if they expel, it contain lot of poisonous acids. So they can kill the fish and all other marine species, that is which is under the water. So what we should do, by adding some basic substances, we can neutralize this. Okay? Okay, children? So this is the end of our chapter. So in this, we have learned 6 neutralization types. We have learned it. Majority the question come, give reasoning question. Why? How can we neutralize? How can we neutralize factory waste? How can we neutralize the effect of base on using shampooing the hair? What is the use of the toothpaste? While you are brushing, why you brush with the toothpaste? All these things are question can come under this. Okay, children? So, by this, we are completing this chapter. All of you complete the notes, and also by this week, finish your activity. Okay? Because we are going to have our term 1 exam by next month. So, we need to prepare for it. These 4 chapters are there for term 1. I may start the next chapter. I may start the next chapter, but it may not be there for exam. Okay? Because exam is there. Either beginning of the September or end of the September, depending upon the teachers how they cover the exam. Okay? So how the exam is going to be, we will tell. Either MCQ or descriptive, how it is. Let us see whether COVID has any effect, because some of them have already discovered the vaccine. Let us see what is happening today. Okay?
Is it half yearly exam?
Yeah, half yearly exam. Almost
18 marks.
80 and all we will discuss later. So far I didn't get an official, but there is an exam. That I got it. How much marks, how it is, I didn't get so far. So it will be informed to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Children, any doubt to ask me, because I have a next class now, 9th. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.